Hello everybody and welcome to the crypto session brief. We're on Monday the 20th of February 2023. I hope everybody has had a great weekend. BTC has certainly enjoyed a lively start to the week. The US is off for President's Day today. However, that's not stopping Bitcoin making some quite impressive gains. We've moved up from the 24k handle. Really important to hold on to that over the weekend and last week. And we're back retesting now the 25k handle. Now, just to reiterate the importance of this level, this was quite a key technical reversal. Well, there was quite a key technical reversal off this level back in August of last year, mid-August. So we're right up against it because last week we rejected twice on the daily, as you can see. The wick breaking above, closing below, and again on Friday, literally the high of the day, right on the money on the 25k mark. So once again today we've threatened that 25k. It doesn't need me to explain the importance of this level because should we be able to get through here, daily close above, we can start to look for moves up into the 27k area. Bitcoin over the past week has gained over 11%. Ethereum has gained over 9%. There's other double-digit returns as well. Solana, Polkadot, and Polygon have also made double digits, up 20, 19%, and 18.5% respectively. Dogecoin up 5% and SHIB up 4%, having seen gains from an Elon Musk tweet tested by the market. Floki, named after Musk Dog, is down 7% on the day, but still up 108% on the week. So it was pretty important then for Bitcoin to hold on to the 24. What about Ethereum? Well, Ethereum, it was quite important now to get through the 1700 area. This has been quite a sticky area of resistance for this market for a little while. 1790 is the next level up to get to. That's basically the high from September of last year. So not quite at the August high, still a way to go, unlike BTC, which is now testing its August high already. So you can see BTC actually one step ahead on Ethereum at the minute. Ripple relatively flat, there's nothing really going on there. Litecoin hasn't quite shown the same energy that BTC has so far today. You can see it's actually down on the day, so we're looking for a move back into 102, but it hasn't found that yet. And potential triple top there really off the 102 to 104 area could be on the cards. Certainly short-term top has been put in and moved back down to 95, albeit we've seen a bounce off there earlier on today. That's probably the area to the downside now that bulls will be looking to hold on to. We've continued to put in all year long high low after high low in this particular market. The most recent one down there at 88. So we basically need to hold above the 88 area, and then we can continue this trend higher. But also look to break through the 102 mark on Litecoin. What else have we got? The next week we've got Coinbase scheduled to post earnings, and investors are expecting lukewarm results. Regulators in the UK are looking to cut off crypto's banking access. Coinbase executives will probably have a lot to say on that topic. Not too much else from my end then. I think that's around about everything. Yeah, I'm just seeing if there's anything on the economic calendar, which is going to be, no, that's the newsletter. That's going to be of importance today. I don't think there is. Like I said, with the US closed President's Day, you've got a pretty quiet looking calendar out of the US today, unsurprisingly. Things pick up a little bit tomorrow, I think, especially in Europe. You've got some flash PMIs. But yeah, I think that's a wrap from mine for the crypto brief, at least for today. I'll see you all inside the chat room. Thanks for listening and all the best of you trading. Bye for now.